Yes, diving service here. It is March 25th, 2021. I just wanted to show you the your vessel, the 27 Boston Whaler. If you look here, you'll notice your gel coat is below the waterline. It should be bottom paint right there. I'm going to show you because I'm trying to scrub this off, but the scrub brush only gets so much of that off. So what we're going to have to use is the scraper. I see, because this is calcified here, and gently do that. But I don't want to do that because that will eventually scratch your gel coat. So I'm going to do the best I can with the brush. And the bottom paint's actually doing a great job on most of the bottom of the boat. But we're going to get her all cleaned up for you. But the water line of your boat probably needs to be raised up. You know, if you're contemplating a bottom job, you know, maybe pull it out and do another one coat on the bottom, then 2 or 3 coats on the water line. But you need to raise the paint up to just almost below this boot stripe right here. So I can choose a TS box.